Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Now I'm going to show you how to delete a Facebook account. Write me if my solution helped you and if it worked for you. And also, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I will definitely read and answer. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Here we go. Open Facebook. In the bottom right corner, open the menu. In the top right corner, click Settings and Privacy. Then Emite Accounts Center. See More in Accounts Center. This is where our profile appears. Account. We click on Personal Details. Open Account Ownership and Control. Deactivation or Deletion. Choose Instagram or Facebook. We click Facebook. Next, deactivate account or delete account. Select Delete Account. Press Continue. Select Page. Continue. For what reason we want to delete our account. We can choose any reason. Press Continue. Further here, we confirm Continue or Deactivation, but we scroll down and find the Delete tab. And after that, we found the Delete tab. We click Continue, and then we'll be asked to write a password. We must enter the password from our account, and after that, our account will be deleted forever. If you liked this video, be sure to write whether my solution will help you. Subscribe to the channel, put likes, write your comments. I will write to everyone to answer everyone. We will communicate with you. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.